Okay, teachers, right now I'm going to show you how to create a group which could be used to actually facilitate a PLC. The first thing you're going to do is go to group. As you can see, I'm in a few different groups, but if you select my group, you're going to be able to create a group. So when you go to create a group, let's say, for example, I'm creating a group based on sixth grade social studies. Write a brief description. You can set the privacy, which group there's no one. Um, Set it to the school level, invite only, and you can actually go really deep into it. But you don't have to do all that at once. You can go back and edit the groups. But once you create this group, let's say I want to add some members to this group. So what I would do is go to the members tab, and let's say I want to add the other sixth grade social studies teacher to this tab. All I can have to do is search for a name. Select who I want to add and select add members. Another way that they could add or join a group is this access code. Once they are logged in, you could share that access code and they go back to my groups and they can join the group using that access code. But once I create this group right here, I can use it to share a lot of content to discuss. But where I'm going to do a lot of this is in the resources tab. Once I go into the resources tab, I'll be able to add resources. So for example, I can add an assignment template. I can add a question bank. I can add links. I can add tools. But I like doing it by folder because when I use by folder, I can use this content and share it with all the teachers. That way we're using common assessments. That way we are using common test banks. We can use different assignments and projects. When all is said and done, it could look something like this right here. And you can go into the resources tab. That's where all your resources are going to be used. And it's broken down by substandard with questions. This way teachers can use the same pre-test, same midterm, same post-test, and actually test for students' growth. Let's say that I want to give it an assignment just on standard 1. So I could go in this standard and I can manually choose questions. I can also add questions to this. There's multiple questions you can add, but that's covered in a different tab. But once I add these questions to it, everybody that's in this group, all the members can be able to share them and use these resources.